Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nowadays, Ramadan, the holy month for Muslims, is going on. So I thought to make a special video regarding Ramadan. Today's video topic is refreshments for Ramadan 5 super hydrating iftar drinks. Ramadan is a month of fasting, spiritual development, and reflection. From dawn to sunset, Muslims refrain from eating and drinking, making iftar, the meal to break the fast, an essential time to replenish lost energy and hydration. The body craves water and food after long periods of dehydration. Even though drinking water is the best way to rehydrate, adding nutrient-dense drinks to your iftar can help you regain energy, improve digestion, and stay hydrated all night. In this video, we'll explore 5 super hydrating drinks that are perfect for iftar. In addition to quenching your thirst, these drinks supply vital vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling re-energized and refreshed. But before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon. We shall begin now. 1. Coconut water with lemon and honey. Why you should use it for iftar. The natural equivalent of an energy drink, coconut water is high in electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, which aid in rapid rehydration. Honey gives you a natural boost of energy, and lemon provides more vitamin C. How to make it. Ingredients: 1 glass of coconut water, fresh half of a lemon's juice, 1 tablespoon honey, cubes of ice, optional. Instructions: in a glass, combine the honey, lemon juice, and coconut water. Serve chilled and thoroughly stir. Benefits: rehydrates and replenishes lost minerals, boosts the immune system, provides a natural energy boost. Chia seed lemonade. Why should you use it for iftar? Well, chia seeds absorb water and form a gel-like texture which helps retain hydration for longer. This lemonade is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and electrolytes, making it a perfect Ramadan refresher. How to make it. Ingredients: 1 glass of ice water, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, cubes of ice, optional. Instructions: first, soak the chia seeds in water for at least 10 minutes. Then add the lemon juice and honey. Give it a thorough stir. Finally, use ice cubes to serve it cold. Benefits: it maintains hydration for longer, helps with digestion, and stops bloating. Plus, it provides natural energy and antioxidants. Cooler with cucumber and mint. Why should you use it for iftar? Cucumber is 95% water, making it one of the best foods for hydration. Lemon provides a boost of vitamin C, and mint gives a refreshing flavor while aiding in digestion. How to make it. Ingredients: half a cucumber, sliced 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves, half of a lemon's juice, 1 glass of ice water, ice cubes, optional. Instructions: blend cucumber, mint, lemon juice, and water until smooth. If necessary, strain and serve chilled. Benefits: it hydrates and refreshes the body, helps with digestion, and stops bloating. Plus, it improves skin health. Almond date milkshake. Why should you use it for iftar? Dates are rich in natural sugars, fiber, and essential minerals, making them the perfect food to break your fast. Almonds provide healthy fats and protein, creating a delicious and nutritious energy-boosting drink. How to make it. Ingredients: 3 to 4 dates with pits, 1 glass of almond milk or regular milk, 5 almonds soaked overnight, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, optional. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth, serve chilled. Benefits: it gives you energy right away after fasting, is packed with nutrients and vitamins, and helps the brain function and recover muscle. Juice of watermelon and basil. Why should you use it for iftar? Watermelon is made up of 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits. Basil adds a unique flavor and supports digestion, while a touch of honey enhances the sweetness naturally. How to make it. Ingredients: 1 cup of watermelon, diced 5 to 6 fresh basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional, half a glass of cold water, ice cubes, optional. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. If necessary, strain and serve chilled. Benefits: it maintains hydration for hours, helps with digestion, and lessens bloating. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. During Ramadan, staying hydrated and energized is just as important as eating nutritious meals. These super hydrating drinks are not only delicious, but also help restore lost fluids, boost energy, and aid digestion after a long day of fasting. Which drink will you try first? Please let us know, and we wish you a happy and healthy Ramadan.